I have replaced all of the tar-filled and or wax-filled capacitors and a few of the filter capacitors. But we still have a problem of the bad coil, field coil in the speaker. And in this old documentation, it can be very difficult to read. And even when you enlarge it, you still can't make out all the numbers or letters. So it's a good idea to go to another drawing of the same manufacturer with the same architectural stamp and look at several of those to try and determine what the value should be. After looking through a few documents, I determined that the resistance of the coil was around 22 to 2300 ohms. So I set everything up on the workbench and got out some wire wound resistors and started putting them together as a substitution for the coil. And I have a variac with a voltmeter and in-series milliamp meter to assist this process. It's always a good idea to start high with the resistance and work down. So I have a good supply of wire wound resistors to come up with a suitable substitute. This is the first functional test. I have increased the variac up to about 80 volts here, and the power supply is putting by the digital meter about 219 volts. From the documentation, it should be about 394 volts, and from that dial lamp you can see that I don't have enough voltage going into the radio. This is the substitution that I came up with: two 5,000 ohm resistors in parallel, 10 watts, and two 22 microfarad capacitors. I have high resolution pictures that I have put at the end of the original link, and I have them in the description of this video.